Hi, this is the POCO F5 and I'll show you how to activate always on display option on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to always on display and lock screen. Tap to always on display section, and to activate this option we should click to the switcher. So after that, also if you want to change the settings to turn off but the AD option with the battery saver is on, you should use the switcher. So let's just lock the device. And we could see that we just successfully changed, I successfully activated the always on display option on our POCO phone. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.